back to the channel. Today we take a break from the MR2 to do a little maintenance on the RSX. It's not really maintenance, I'm just switching out some stuff that I needed to get switched out. You guys know, as you guys know, this was the budget swap. So what I did, I had gotten some cables and they didn't have this little rubber piece. So I traded these with a friend of mine, and I'm going to get underneath the car, switch these ones out for the ones that doesn't have the rubber, and give those back to him. So that's what I'm going to do now. Right now I'm going to open the garage, get the car out a bit, and I'm going to pull the center console out. It's a little bit dark in here. I'm going to pull that center console out, jack the car up, and then get those cables out of there. Alright, so I ended up getting that center cover off. Move this out of the way. End up taking that center cover off. What I got to do is, as y'all can see down there, I had to put duct tape on the bottom, and then I filled that with silicone so no water would get up in the car. It worked. Trust me, it worked. It's hard. I don't even know if I'll be able to get that out. I mean, I should be able to though. But what I'm gonna do is just back the car up, pop these cables off, and right there is where I use those twist wires again. As you can see, I didn't have the little clips, so just use some twist wires. So I'll pop this out, I'll back the car out and jack it up and pop this out. Take that one out and put the new one in. Alright, I went ahead and took the cables off in the engine bay, and they're off inside the car. I went ahead and I undid that bracket right down there. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go underneath the car, and I got to take that little heat shield off to get these out. So I'm going to go do that under there. You guys can see it, and I'll let you know when I got that done. Here is the silicone and all that stuff that I had around it. There's a lot more in there. I still got to go clean that up. This wasn't going anywhere, man. That silicone was not going anywhere. It's got this together. Got to clean that off there before I give it to him. But nothing a razor blade can't fix. Now I got to go get the rest out of the car and install the other. Look at all that damn noise out there. And install the other harness the other shifter cables. Yo, I went ahead and got them installed. I still use my little binding wire on there. I don't have those clips, but got it all installed. Everything is back. I didn't put the interior back together yet, though it is clipped in here. I need a better light. Inside the car is kind of dark, but it is clipped in here. All put together. I'm gonna drop the car down. I'll probably back the car out just a little bit more. I'm gonna move this refrigerator over because it's been in the way, and then I'll move that stuff over here because it doesn't come out as far, and I could get around the car. But that's what I'm about to do right now, and I'll see y'all in a bit. Alright, so the car is back together. The interior is not back together yet. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just start it up, pull it forward a bit to get up in the garage, and I'm gonna shut that down for the night. I did move the fridge over, put it in the middle now. Makes it look a lot more crowded, but I gotta move that mini bike back. It'll give me more room once I pull in. Interior ain't back together yet. Dang, it's dark. But we'll go ahead and now pull this forward. Ain't that tall. What in the world? Oh, these down here disconnected. Forgot I took these off. That happened to me last time too. Those little, if these are disconnected, your car won't start. So we got those wires right there hooked up. In your RSX, if these are together, you won't start. These run to the ECU and all that other crap, and I guess fuel wires and all that stuff. So should start now. Should turn over like a quick sec. I need gas, by the way. But you go ahead and pull it forward, and then that should be good right there. I should clear the back of the garage. I'll go ahead and put that board down that I have to let me know when I'm in the garage. So it was pretty tight because of the fridge. Now I can pull up a little bit more. But as you can see, right there is the line for the garage. It does clear, so I have a little board. And this is what I was talking about. When the fridge was here, I couldn't walk around this like this. So got this little board right here. All I do, I just put it right in front of the tire. Just drop it like right here. Drop it under here. Actually, I roll it back just a little bit. Fix this board. And we're still clear. A little close, but we're clear. Look, let's see. You gonna hit? Yeah, we're clear. That's all I need. This is when I'd crashed my Evo. Well, not really crashed it, I curved the wheel, and I went ahead and ordered a new one. That thing is wide, ain't it? That thing is nice. I miss RPF ones, man. I might get me another set. The last video. Let's talk about the last video for a second. My shirt was backwards. Don't tell nobody. I won't tell nobody else. I will not say it again. But it was. Wasn't paying attention, put it on in the opposite direction. He should have just, what I'm saying was, he should have just put that MR2 on the front. It looked better. When you're watching this, bro, the next one, put it on the front. Put it on the back, I can't see it, so it's no good to me back there. Put it on the front. But the RSX is finished. Let me get my little thumbnail. Right there. Is that a good thumbnail? Oh, over the hat. Oh, there we go. Good thumbnail right there. But the RSX is finished, so we're done for the night. I'm going to go ahead and upload this video so you guys can get it. And maybe I'll make Honda vlogs tomorrow. What's all this dust on my screen? Yeah, maybe I'll make Honda vlogs tomorrow again for working on the RSX. Haven't worked on it in a while, but got it finished. Like, share, and subscribe. And once again, man, appreciate you guys that has been stopping by and checking out the storefront. If you guys have an Instagram or whatever, if you buy one of my stickers, just one, I'm gonna promote your shop or Instagram page. Whatever you want me to promote, I'm going to promote it for 24 hours on my Instagram. So you basically just buying 24-hour promotion when you get one of my stickers. So stop in the storefront and do that. Link is below. Dresracingchannels.bigcartel.com. Check that out. And come back. Like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend. Peace.